Hi guys, welcome back to another Bascotic video. In this video we are going to learn Python strings. Okay, let's create a file, Python file, string.py. Okay, strings in Python can be created using single quotes or double quotes or even triple quotes. Okay, let's create a single quote here. I have to create a variable. Let's say string1 equals to, this is single quotes, hello Python, or hello world. Let's print this value, string1, and let's run this code. New terminal, Python. The name of my Python file is a string. Let's say string.py. Okay, says can't open because it says string. This is my problem, sorry. String.py. Now it says hello world. Okay, this string called what? Single quote string. Okay, let's do again. Double quotes, string2 equals to, this is double quote. Let's say Bascotic channel. Let's save and print this value. Let's comment out this thing. Prints string2. Okay, let's run this code, save and run this code. Bascotic channel, this is a double quote. Okay, let's create a triple quote string. Okay, string3 equals to, just like this one. Then this is awesome Python strings. Now I want to use these double quotes inside of it. String, this is awesome Python triple string. Okay, let's run again this code. No, I have to print the value of string3. Print string3. Let's run again. It says, look this one, this is awesome Python triple string with double quotes. Okay, now this is a method of creating a string in Python. Now let's gauge the length of string. We can gauge the length of string in order to do such things in this variable. Okay, let's gauge the length of string1. We can gauge length of Python strings. Okay, let's say here, let's print, for example, or length equals to len, then I have to pass this value, this packet. Okay, let's print this length. Okay, let's run again this code. It says 12. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This string contains 11 characters. 11 characters. For example, let's change the value of this thing. For example, good. This was 4 characters. Let's run again. Say 4. We can get the length of the string variable by using this len function. This pre-built function that uses to get the length of a string variable. Okay, now let's see how to access a character of a string. Okay, in order to access a Python a character of a string, individual character of a string can be accessed by using a method of indexing. So let's see this thing. I have to comment this thing. Okay, for example, here string 1, good. So in order to get the value of O, this O, we have to count from 0. This one 0 index, this one 1 index, this one 2 index, this one 3 index. Okay, let's get the value. For example, print, we have to call string 1 here, string 1, and this bracket, let's say for example 2, run. We get O because 0, 1, 2 is the index of what? O. Okay, in order to get this one D, this means 3, let's change to 3. Run again this code, we get D. So by using this method we can access a character of string in Python. Okay, let's create something awesome. Okay, this one, for example, let's change it to G. In Python we can convert this small letter to capital letter. Okay, let's change this thing. Okay, in order to change a letter to capital letter, I have to use this thing. For example, let's okay, let's say print. For example, print, then string 1 dot string 1 dot upper, string 1 dot upper. Let's run again. Say good, the capital letter, all character changes to capital letters when we call string 1 dot upper. Again, let's change it to small letter. In order to change into small letter, for example, okay, let's change this good to capital letter, and let's change to small letter. Let's change this lower, and print again. See, we can get small letter here. Okay, this is all about I have for this video. Thank you for watching me. Don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.